Meow. Meow. Hi, it's Penny Bowden, crazy cat artist. It's a tiny little kitten here. And now one thing I want to be really careful with this drawing is that I have very few actual hard lines because the softness of the kitten would be lost. Such a tiny little baby. Just gently get the features in. Very gently. That new kitten feeling. Just a tiny hint of nostrils. And I'd love to hear from you, so please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or whatever, what you want to learn about cat drawing. That eye's a bit too slanted that way. I'll probably fix that later. We'll see if it blends in well. Almost looks like monkey ears at this stage, eh? You just gotta draw what you see, and you keep going and it'll fit in. And it's all about finding your own style too. And it's good to draw things that you're not super comfortable with once in a while. I don't do kittens, tiny kittens near as much, but I'm having fun here. Sleepy baby. So we'll get some suggestions of fuzz around there, kitten fuzz. How old do you think this kitten is? Not very old, hey? No, too many lines here. We don't want a whole bunch of lines. We want to keep the softness, so yes, give the channel a subscribe. That would be awesome. It helps build this community of crazy cat artists. And hit that little dingy bell that tells you when there's going to be another video ready for you. I'm liking this little kitty. Maybe a bit too much darkness on those nostrils there. Stands out a lot. It's all a learning process. You get better with each one. And you just got to kind of decide what direction you want to go in. And some whiskers. I think I might have got the whiskers too long because kitten whiskers wouldn't be super long. Takes them a while to grow to regular cat length. They're just starting. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.